for watching. This is Callie, don't lick me, I got makeup on me. Alright, I promise I'm not naked. I just need this open space for face paint, so that's why I'm wearing a tube top. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing you should probably do is start with the face paint base. So what I'm going to do, and this is how I learned, you could use regular face paint, but I don't have any because they're expensive and I don't know where to get it, and I don't feel like ordering it online. So what I learned is that if you just get any white foundation and you mix it with colored eyeshadow, you could make your own face paint. So that is what we're going to be doing today, and I will show you how I do that. Actually, we're going to be learning together because this is my first time doing it. So if I mess up, you'll mess up with me, and if I succeed, you will succeed with me. All right. So I'm going to be going into my James Charles palette. It's one of those palettes that, like, I don't really care if I mess up, but it's also like a really good palette because it has so much colors. But we're going to be digging into it today. So I have like this little plastic tray that we're gonna be scraping onto. It's a little bit harder. Like you can see, I've done the bottom colors, but now I'm choosing one that's on top, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna be like scraping some off just with like a little razor and trying to figure out how the heck I'm gonna transfer that. Fuck. Okay, it's not working. Okay, kind of. I need more. A lot more, because I need my whole face and neck to be red. All right, I'm gonna start with this much for now, and then I'm going to be opening my foundation, dropping a few pumps, and then using a like paintbrush, I'm gonna try to mix that up. So I'm just gonna try to build the color because it's still like a pink right now. And just start putting that on my face. Yeah, this is pink. So what I'm doing is I'm going into the red myself and putting that over. Try to get the red that I want. And now it's starting to turn a little bit more red. And we're just gonna put this all over our face. Literally everywhere. And I like this so much more than like that cheap cream makeup that you get at like Party City. Because cream makeup, like, it comes off. And then I saw another trick of using like face cream, like your actual face cream, like your moisturizer or whatever cream, and then doing this method, so that way it's like that cream consistency too, but like one wipe and it's gone. And this is foundation and it's gonna dry down like foundation would, so this is a lot better. All right, so I'm gonna quit rambling and just finish up, and I will be back with you when I finish my face. Ugh, This is taking a lot longer than I expected. I'm probably gonna like stop like right here where you can't really see from the camera. The neck and shoulders isn't really necessary. It just adds to the intensity, and for pictures it's a lot better. But I probably wouldn't for a costume. I mean, if you're gonna go full out and paint your full body, I give you props. But that's a lot of eyeshadow and foundation and just a lot of time and work and effort, and I am lazy. But yeah, just keep going down and make sure you just blend so you don't see like the brush strokes. And like, just, you don't have to like go all the way down, but just like till like you can't see anymore. It's all an illusion. It's all an illusion. Makeup is all an illusion. Alright, I'm just gonna finish up and then we'll continue. Alrighty, so I'm just finishing up. This looks good. Just putting on any of like the finishing touches. And slowly immersing my body in red. And that is pretty much it for the body paint. You could go darker and add to it if you'd like as well, but I'm kind of happy with the tone that I have at the moment. So I think we're going to move on. And yeah, just like you can see, this is how it looks. But from here, it looks dope. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows black. And I'm going to take this thin, like, angled brush and then one of my brushes like this just to brush out my brows. And I would have blocked out my brows and made them thinner, but it's completely fine. So just brush out your brows and just grab a black color. And honestly, just fill out your brows as you normally would with regular brow powder. Alright, so I finished the brows. I'm just adding some clear brow gel to help tame it a bit. Alright. And to clean up your brows, you would normally use concealer, but I'm not going to do that. It's going to go back in with the white and mix that with the red and a small angled brush. And it's okay if it comes out a little bit lighter than the red, like a lighter red, because you kind of want that for contrast. So I'm just cleaning up the brows. And making it look nice and clean. And that's pretty much it for the eyebrows. Alright, so then we're going to be moving on to the eyeshadow. It's just going to be a blacked out eye with like a smoked out lower lash line. Yes, smoked out lower lash line. Sorry, I cannot talk today. So for that, I'm just going to start with a just flat shadow brush. I don't know, I can't talk. Okay, and then you're just gonna go in with black. Normally I start with the crease, but I'm gonna start with the lid first and then work my way to the crease. So literally just packing the black onto my lid. And black is a little intimidating to work with, but don't be scared. And if it turns out ugly, you're the devil, it's okay. And don't worry if it starts getting messy towards the crease, because we're gonna start blending the crease in a bit. You just want to intensify the lid as much as possible. Just completely black out the lid. And then with a fluffy brush, you're gonna grab a little bit more of the black and just start smoking that out. See, I love that it's not erasing the red. If you're trying to do this with cream, it would be spread everywhere and all the paint would be gone. So using foundation as a paint is genius. And then you can see how that's turning out. It looks like a little bit more gray towards the top, and that is okay. If you lose some of the intensity on the lid, just go ahead and pack it some more. And just keep going back and forth between the lid and the crease. And don't worry if you get a little bit of fallout, just go back with that foundation and just kind of clean it up a bit. The eyes are pretty much done for the lids. And then I'm going to take a smaller smudge brush, go in with the black, and just start going right underneath your lower lash line. Right underneath. There's no attractive way to do this, I'm so sorry. Alright, and then taking a fluffy brush, we're kind of gonna do what we did on the top. We're gonna start smoking that out. I look so ugly! Okay, it's gonna come together, I swear. Just the faces you make when you're doing your makeup. Don't judge me. But it's Halloween, you're supposed to look ugly, right? But I know the point right now is to look cute. A cute ugly. And this is how the eyes are going to look like. Really simple. Alright, so the Valfre, am I saying that right? Valfre, please correct me if I'm saying it wrong. But the Valfre, little devil girl does have eyeliner. So you're just gonna create a little wing as per usual. To finish the eyes, we will add mascara and lashes in a bit. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the face. So what I did is I doodled a little star on a piece of paper, just because I know myself and I'm not going to be able to draw perfect stars that match along my face. So I just drew one on a piece of paper, and I'm going to cut it out and just use the eyeliner to outline it so that way each star is perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. All right. So I kind of placed it on my face. This is actually really nerve-wracking. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film this, but... something like that. My star is not perfect. And just create more stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just continue. Callie. Callie! Go. Go lay down. Come on. Go lay down. Lay down. Wow. Who knew that it's so hard to draw freaking stars? Alright. So you guys don't see me struggle. I'm just going to continue on, and then we'll get back to the rest of the tutorial. So I finished one side, so you're just going to do 1 in the middle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the side. I'm going to go ahead and just finish the other side, and then we'll continue on. Sorry, the stars took a lot longer than I thought, because I do not have I'm not that artistic and geometrically coordinated. So yeah, just do the best you can, like me. All right, it is starting to get dark, so sorry if the lighting has changed, but we are pretty much almost done with the face. So now what you're gonna do is add mascara and lashes and then a black lipstick, and we are pretty much done with the makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I got these lashes from Amazon. There's a bunch of different ones here. I think I'm going to be using these here to have more of like a separated lash look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on. So it is full on dark now, so sorry for the color change, but this is pretty much the finished makeup look. The only thing left to do is the hair. It does look good how it is now, but the Valfre Devil Girl does have red hair. So I did buy some red dye temporary spray from Target for like $5. So I'm gonna see if that works. If not, this looks cute how it is, but I also have a black wig that I think will work out better. So I'm gonna try the red color and see if it works, and I'll come right back and we'll find out which one I went with. So this is the finished makeup look. Really simple, really easy. It's just a little time consuming, and the hair did turn out. I just really hope that it washes out tonight because I have work tomorrow and it'll be really weird if I walk in with like bright red hair. And Callie insists on being in the outro. She's the angel, I'm the devil. Anyway, me and Callie thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Halloween is my favorite time of the year. It's a very fun time to experiment with makeup, but yeah, stay tuned for more, and make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram as well, because I might be posting more looks and not doing tutorials for each and every one of them. So if you don't want to miss any of my looks, make sure you subscribe to me but follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Say bye, Callie. Say bye. Say bye, Callie. Bye.